You see, most of us growing up in the crown highlands of the slopes, by the interlocking spars of the rivers in the valleys. Yes. One, we had a beautiful view. Never mind, you could to appreciate a view.
You may appreciate a yes.
On a donut area, either. Todona, Ratuga, Ratuga of a Teokorokia Mata. Yes.
You more than you at a picturesque.
A picturesque. It is breathtaking. The sapphire blue horizon of a show. And the interlocking hills of Meoro as you feast your eyes on the Mutaburuko. We don't have to over thutha. Yes. We want to appreciate the landscape and the terrain. And it is because we were naive. The resources not just you see, when our passion we entertain on a very small thing. Throw bad watching. If you to the another this iron.
I guess to an ass ye kegio.
Yes.
Never to lay right domo.
Yes. No more than know you had with the Kiria Dojo. To the had a new rain. Kiria Dojo. Yes. The resources were rare. Actually, I gave to transport means anything mechanical to a dinner to the Akumuno. Ona wage turaira girwa atiri wathoma wega ri na wani na irio ri ni uri kuo ni ngari. Well, kunina irio was not for everybody.
It was not for everybody. Ne kuria kwari plenty.
Tondu maita maria maingĩ ri undu ucio ndwabataraga gutindĩkwo.
Wathigagĩrĩrio nĩ other forces of nature.
Yes, you are the pests in your body and the hunger. You never required any it was stimuli.
Yeah. And equally hungry siblings.
Yes. Yeah, actually scavengers. Tone mango tunyaga. Yes.
Wale mwone kule yari.
Yes.
O matire metu.
Mundu kwao kũngĩarugirwo nyama in the very rare occasion. It was what you started with. Otunyagwo indo cia mũgũnda.
Wabio shughuli kile nyama.
Yes.
To gutikaingire nginya mugeni kana undu kungiuka yaku ituike ni kuo.
Yes. Negori kana Samuel wa baba ngoni anatengeria na nguku nginya njumbi. Ikanyita nyama yake ka.
Akiuga eno no ehurukire.
Amenyitire igajo kwa burugu. Ela akometehekia wariga. So, some of us ati gukuo ni ngari yo. Na nikijana cia thikũ ici takorwo na mĩrimũ ya ngari. No, ciana cia thikũ ici ititahĩkaga nĩ gũkuo nĩ ngari.
Na kũnungĩrĩrwo nĩ betũ.
Ithuĩ waingĩra wathiĩ kilomita 10 you get seasick. Ito ya nyamũ ĩtagwo jet lag. Ya ngari because gũtirĩ kĩndũ kĩrĩa gĩgũkua kĩndaya.
Na ndũrĩ wakorwo in motion.
Yes.
For that long.
At that speed. Speed ile in neri. Ni ama itugo we ngongo and you can hardly remember.
Kana kũgũa kuma mũtĩ igũrũ.
Yes. Not through kinetic motion. No gacoka kona ugarie mĩtĩ ĩgĩcoka na thutha.
Ega confusing. Nginya hakiri yaku.
Yes. Undu ucio amba system yaku igatuĩka overloaded nĩ kũgeria ku digest. Ũkanjia ũturwo nĩkĩ? Nĩ nda. Na nĩkĩo ona ngari cia gĩcagi ĩrũgamĩte handũ ĩ. Mũkora nĩ mwana ũrarutire kĩ atĩa?
Ataike.
Ya thikũ icio ona nĩ gũcũnga macũngaga. Tene ndũngĩakuirwo nĩ ngari ũcũnge.
Ucoge ukaheana rugano ruriku.
You would not miss a moment.
Ona maituguo ni angia gukunyire ukire wone.
Ukire wone.
Cugithia ndu.
Ukire wone mainafu mathika.
No uyu.
Ũngĩconoka.
Uracoka tuhitukio.
Uracoka kiondo gitu kirutwo.
Okay, cungithia.
Kira. No rore guku ni kuo gwetagwo thika.
Yeah, tutingĩacũngire.
No. You would stay awake the whole time. Yes.
No, have you recordaga?
You savor the moment so that you can know what to exaggerate in your story.
Kujo kuna Maragua police station.
Yes.
Ukamaka.
Ugachoka kuna Shears Highway Motel. Wakinya hali hilo ukiana story ukaga. Makaidara sayo eta. Nuona taa. Nuona mafariti wa joru. Mafariti wa joru ri. Hau iguru. Igasobere.
No wale oranarĩtĩra back in the village. They are clueless.
You see, they don't have a Mwakenya, so they can only rely on your narrative and their clouded imagination.
Kaira nginya Nairobi.
Right, Nairobi.
Hey.
Akwa Nairobi magai. Wenye matiramanya na guthiaga. Kwa kura turathire ri. Wau moguo kindu kiambe oraranga. Ni mugate. No, you would. It was a story of make believe. You would convince them. Nairobi go kwa is only got the pavement in.
Magiona Nairobi gwe kundu kwa bata.
Ndirakwira atiriri. Ku andu makinyitagwo ni kuria githeri.
Mutoithio ni githeri.
Ukiuga that must be kana. Kune kwa.
Bururi wa kiraniro.
You see, mundu ucio mwe watwikanagiria weru akagia trip iyo. You would create a movie. Ndakwa touma guo. Thigari cia atoriri atiriri. Ciroria mukuru. We no nyina acege.
Kema mui.
Hey, moya ona wena mako yo kendi ko. No oguo magweta gusu. Manaria mukuru. Mwathi kwa tata Jabi. And then the Nincon Pops you are giving the story would not even peace that. Mother Miria Ginyakanua. You see, they have nothing. They don't have a counter.
Tige counter na tiri na githeri.
Kamuna. Wacha tabao ya kego wade mwire horo wa Uhuru Park. No, you would make a fountain look like an ocean.
You do not get hau bunge.
Rakura na etoka na bunge re. Ndona moto wa igora sisi ya Mercedes. Gira na guoneka mo arajira. Yedo wakwa bare ya mohari. Ndramura eni.
Ara methuguiti bagiti igiri.
Na Jojo 50. See, you had to coin a huge figure. It's the way politics works. Ani methuguiti bagiti igiri. Jojo 50 na soda nyanya. Aje ana wira baba anyu thengio ni guthura. You see, you would make the local lads imagine what kind of you live and meet moi.
Agithie na street.
Nyie muti horone. Gethorai. Niki urauga we. Niki muranjira inyu. Koguo tire igwa. Nyandra makire koigwa thirikari kuu ni aregire thukuma.
Hiyo ni nyama. Na jafasi.
Yende areire nyama nginya ndiramera atiriri. Please tugarurire ina boco. And you see, that was just one trip. Toto dweigiri. Kuikarira gari egeto gari ya designed as a passenger vehicle. Tika the ramshackles yage sagi.
Vika vira cia hama.
Cia hama. Ayere yuroni no no wakinya wahituka.
Wamenya haria muri mwahituka.
Tondu nyothe mwara haria thutha. Ukona gatuka ganyu gafuria. Wewe jiga.
Ni mwahitukia.
Ndio ucoka ni muthenya.
Utuko nire wakorwo gwikuru.
No, that moment mundu aingirie ngari ingitwo ya A90 cirorete mbere.
Passenger vehicle.
Yes. Igiti ure controller dirisha. You would think you have a piece of heaven. Kwaje wale makinyine handu ati in luck weke kana kairetu kanini. Ugikarira Nissan.
Nissan.
Umenya Nissan ndiakorwo na gwa kurugamia ciana.
Acha Nissan gutiari free passengers. Acha.
You sit like every other person.
And pay.
Kwaje uikara thutha wa ndereba urange engine. And then that would probably have been the first time Muna travel in such a small group. Now the VSB might get out to 65.
Yes. Now you are traveling like a VVIP.
No, it's like you are muikarite atua. No one is obscuring the windows. You can see panorama. Eto ndo matatu waingirari yaro kamo gatagatiri you would only have one
ona duonaga ikire nando ha gatagati.
Yes,
so ndungiona mukira uri ungi no wihugurire.
Yes, riu aina perspective wa imwetu no igite niza dio kihuguru ugu uko na ni rona passe jothe ukarora thutha na niza ndi ale misene andu makirete ki I am controlling this fellow. Yes.
Kwaja viha injini ni nuonaga na nderefonaga mbere wega atia.
Yes. Kana mukoro muthiete na thoguo. You know father say mumagarite ni enda gukuonia ona ni the means. Auge tugoikara kihegia kwa ha mbere.
Mbere.
You had a cockpit view. You would be wild na don't imagine raini cia no cigere rungu rwa ngari henya ogu
na ndereba ndaramaka
ona no yake ai okarigo araiganania cia kamwe na kamwe
no kona nginya ni acenjia mukwa.
Yes.
Ngari cia tene ciana na kaseti
na gabathia kanini akumbira rendi
ona ni aruta mukwa gekiro
ni akira kwenjeres
nake wanywa bangi atukania na mungari mwana kewe atekire keihu
okaigua mutumia mugu ati ndereba
nindwe
ndũgĩtwĩkĩra cia kanitha kaigua aruta hau acenjie ngĩ
Tuda wa thina ni mwega kuria mwe
no gospel ya tere la ajili ya hura oto
na indo cia thi cia guthira
tejoria muthenya wa kinyari tuofanerio. Oh, nowadays people are very patient on earth.
Very.
No,
people do not actually want to leave this world.
No, they don't want. Ai, tena waiwa juragia muthenya wa kiari. Tuthie iguru rieru.
Era ya 51.